Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Biometrics and Security, tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer, choose Continue and keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of those instructions. After that, you can turn on or off feature Stay on lock screen until swipe by tapping on the switcher over here, and when you're ready, select Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!